Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolina and today's video is about my new sewing pattern for a tote bag called Josephine. When I made this LOD coat as my recent pattern, I knew that I have to make another longer version. And then when I went to the store, I saw this gorgeous green fabric, and on my way out, I saw a corduroy pink, dusty pink fabric that I knew that I have to have. This fabric is so gorgeous and it's so soft, and I decided to make a tote bag. I'll leave a link in the description for the pattern. You can buy it on Etsy and on my website, and the full version tutorial is available for you to watch once you purchase the pattern. When I finished the bag, I was very happy with the results. I think it turned out really nice, although I wanted a little bit more structure. So I went back and added lining. I think it changed the bag completely. I think it looks so much better now, so much more luxurious. And also I received my custom labels, which says Tint of Mint Atelier. I'm very happy about them. They look perfect. For the fabric, obviously I use a corduroy fabric. As a lining, I use a satin. And then for the interfacing, I made two tests for non-woven and woven interfacing. The interfacing is definitely optional, and if your fabric is thick enough or you're going for a different look, you might just skip this step and not use it. And a fun fact that you probably didn't know about me is that I used to be a handbag designer. I did it for a few years after graduating from fashion school, and it was challenging sometimes for sure, but I had so much fun as well. And now that I'm doing this tote bag, I feel like I rediscovered the joy of making and designing the bags, so I'm really looking forward to make more. After making the two samples, I think I prefer the woven one a little bit more. It has way more structure, and this is exactly what I was going for. So I started to make the bag from the front pocket. I double folded the first top edge and then top stitch it. This bag is very beginner friendly, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel a lot. I know a lot of YouTubers say that, but it actually makes a difference. To make this strap, I folded the strap in half to mark the center front, and then I folded both ends inside and then pressed it down. I wanted that extra thickness in the strap to make it super soft, and to be honest, I think that was my best decision ever, because when I was carrying a books and laptop inside that bag, it was so soft and so comfortable around the arm because it has 4 layers of fabric, which means it's not gonna get into your skin even though the bag is really heavy. When it comes to bags, I really value functionality and comfort. I like my bags very minimalistic, using natural fabrics such as suede or leather, something that is timeless and it's gonna last me for years and years to come. The process of making bag, I actually don't want to show too much, because for those who are gonna order the pattern, you're gonna receive a booklet, and in that booklet you're gonna have a link to the full video tutorial on how to make this bag with explanations and such. So in this video I want to show you an overlook on how to make this pattern, so you can decide by yourself if it's something for you, if it's difficult enough for you to make it, and so on. In this step, I'm gonna make the inside pocket for the bag. I ended up not adding it as I used a satin for the lining. Now looking back, I think I would use something like cotton or viscose for the inside. I think it needs a little bit more structure on the inside lining as well. But I absolutely love the feel of the satin, and whenever I can, I basically use this fabric. I ordered those magnetic buttons from Amazon. It came from the whole box and I absolutely love them. They look so cute, and I decided to use the gold one for this pattern. I think it's gonna look so nice with the dusty pink color. I rubbed the ends of the band on charcoal and marked it on the back, and then I'm gonna make a small cut to insert the button. If you want, you can interface that panel as well, or just the section where the button is. It depends how thick or thin is your fabric, and I think looking back now I would interface it as well. And then of course I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side to make the closure for the buttons. This bag is very beginner friendly, it's super easy to make. It only comes in one size, but you can adjust the pattern very easily and make it bigger or smaller. So in this section I'm gonna join the lining and the bag together. As you can see, this part of the tutorial is without the lining because I went back after I finished the bag and added the lining. That's the reason why in this tutorial you can see me making a bag without one. And then when you bag out the bag, it's almost done. It's just as simple as that. The tutorial is very straightforward. And this is almost the finish line. All you have to do is just top stitch that gap that we left in the beginning, and then just top stitch the bag all around it to secure everything in place. And remember to make a double back tack stitch on those straps because this is the most vulnerable area. I'm very pleased of how this bag turned out. I definitely want to make one more. I was thinking in like a forest green suede fabric. I think it's gonna look amazing. So thank you so much for watching, and again, if you want to buy this pattern, I'll leave link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!